Hi guys, I'm Asmith, and today I am going to be demonstrating another raw food recipe. Okay, so for today's recipe, I'm going to be demonstrating how to make cilantro cashew dressing. All right, so I'm just going to back this up a little bit and give you guys a little background of why I'm kind of making this dressing to help blend in the food that I jacked up yesterday. All right, so I was trying out a new recipe. So I was trying to figure out how to make really good raw falafels. And every recipe is like, oh, they're so delicious. And then when I taste it, it's like, So I just wanted to kind of share this because some of you are like, I'm trying out, how to eat raw and things like that. So even with this, I didn't totally love it. And that's why I'm going to be making this dressing to kind of help it blend in because I don't want to waste what I made last night. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you because some of you may be like, oh, I want to try the raw things. I don't love it. The main thing is to keep going till you find what it is that you love. That's the best advice I can give you. Keep going till you find what you like. All right, so now I'm just going to quickly dive into this recipe. So for the cilantro dressing, you're going to need 1 cup of cilantro, half a cup of cashews. You also need salsa, but I'm just doing mine from scratch. I have like 1/4 cup of tomatoes, red onions, and a little jalapeños in there. And then I have 3 cloves of garlic. And for this recipe, I'm using a jalapeno pepper, like deseeded. But you can also use serrano pepper for this as well. And on top of that, you're going to need 3/4 cups of water. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then you can salt to taste. And to be honest, I'll probably add some red pepper flakes. So you know how I do. I simply take everything and I dump it into the blender. All right, and so now I'm going to blend it. Make sure the top's on good because sometimes it flies. Oh, okay. And just that quickly it's done, guys. And a little tip I forgot that I left out. I also did soak the cashews for like 3 hours before I started this. And I'm going to use a pinch of salt. But you guys, flavor this according to your taste buds. Oh no, that I got to wash out, so I'm not putting that back on the blender yet. All right, and so just like that, my salad dressing is done. And then you would just taste it to see if you like it. So I want to show you how creamy that is, guys. So for my salad tonight, I have already prepared some romaine. Let me just move this out of the way. I've already prepared some romaine lettuce that I've washed up. I'll move it out of the way. And then I'm going to add on top some marinated vegetables. I'm going to pour that on. And I'll probably do a video on marinated vegetables because they are so good to have on hand. I know some people say, oh, I'm eating raw, and they concentrate on fruit. If you really want to get to the point to where you're not eating and snacking all day, you need green vegetables. If no one else tell you, I'm going to tell you. You need to make sure you have a good amount of green vegetables in your diet. All right, so back to what I was saying. I'm putting marinated vegetables on top of my salad. And then I'm going to add a few of these balls. Maybe like 2 just starting out, because actually, I could have put hot sauce on it. Hot sauce make everything taste good, but I'm trying to get over that with eating raw. So now I'm going to take my salad dressing. See how creamy that is, guys? I don't know if you can see it up close. So easy to make the salad dressing, and it's oil free. Because I know some people are like, oh, don't put oil in things. I like oil in everything, just about everything. So. But it's not in the salad dressing this time. And so, just 1 second, because I'm going to grab a few red pepper flakes. I keep those handy all the time. I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. Now I want you to see how my salad came out. how quickly I made my salad dressing and the way my salad came out. So this is my secret, guys. I make sure I get a good amount of greens in. Otherwise, you're gonna be hungry all day. That's just the truth of the matter. So I love cilantro. So, only thing is I could have added a little bit more salt. So season this according to your taste buds. Also, you can add a little bit more red pepper, which I'm going to do after this video. But you get the gist. A very easy, very healthy salad dressing. If you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.